Hi! In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon with a plus at the bottom left corner and tap on Files section to add an audio file. Then click on Audio at the top to make it easier for you to look. Access one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to find your file in one of those sources. Either way, after you find it, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. If you want to add a video file, click on Gallery section instead. Look for your video over here and click on it. Then decide if you wish to send it as a Google Photos link or low quality video. After you decided, select Add at the bottom right corner. You can also click on Folders instead and look for your video the same way as an audio file. When you find it, hold it and click on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!